Welcome back to Traveling Cloud. Have you ever wondered what are the differences between homesteading and farming? The thing is that when it comes to sustainable living and self-sufficiency, two terms often come to mind: homesteading and farming. While both involve working the land, cultivating crops, and raising livestock, they differ significantly in their goals, scale, and lifestyle. Understanding the differences between homesteading and farming is essential for anyone interested in pursuing a more self-reliant lifestyle. In this article, we will delve into the distinct characteristics of homesteading and farming, highlighting their unique aspects and exploring the benefits they offer. Let's start with homesteading. Homesteading refers to a lifestyle focused on self-sufficiency, simplicity, and a strong connection to the land. Historically, homesteading involved individuals or families settling on undeveloped land, often provided by the government, and cultivating it to establish a home and sustain themselves. In modern times, homesteading has evolved into a conscious choice to live a more sustainable and self-reliant life, regardless of location. Scale and purpose. One significant distinction of homesteading is its smaller scale compared to traditional farming. Homesteads typically encompass a few acres or less, which allows individuals or families to manage the land using organic and sustainable practices. The primary purpose of homesteading is to provide for one's own needs, focusing on producing enough food, energy, and resources to sustain the household. Homesteaders often prioritize diverse crops, small-scale animal husbandry, and permaculture techniques to create a resilient and self-sustaining ecosystem. Self-sufficiency and lifestyle. Homesteading is centered around achieving self-sufficiency to reduce reliance on external sources. Homesteaders aim to produce their food, generate energy through alternative means like solar power or wind turbines, and actively reduce waste. They typically emphasize traditional skills such as canning, preserving, sewing, and woodworking to meet their everyday needs. This lifestyle promotes a stronger connection to nature, a simpler way of living, and a reduced ecological footprint. Diversification. Homesteads tend to prioritize diversification, both in terms of crops and livestock. By growing a wide variety of crops and raising different types of animals, homesteaders can maximize their self-sufficiency while minimizing risk. This approach not only provides a diverse range of food sources but also promotes healthier ecosystems through natural pest control and nutrient cycling. Now let's take a look at farming. Farming, on the other hand, generally refers to agricultural practices conducted on a larger scale with the primary purpose of commercial production. While some farmers may adopt sustainable and organic methods, others may employ conventional agricultural techniques to maximize yield and profit. Commercial focus. Unlike homesteading, farming primarily focuses on commercial production. Farmers cultivate crops and raise livestock for the purpose of selling their products to markets, restaurants, or other buyers. Their livelihood depends on generating income from the land, often requiring specialized knowledge and management skills to optimize productivity and profitability. Specialization. Farms typically specialize in specific crops or livestock depending on the region, market demand, and the farmer's expertise. Specialization allows farmers to streamline their operations, employ efficient machinery and technology, and leverage economies of scale. Large-scale farms often require significant investments in infrastructure and equipment, including irrigation systems, tractors, harvesters, and storage facilities. Market orientation. Farmers must stay attuned to market trends, consumer demands, and regulations to succeed commercially. They need to plan production cycles, manage supply chains, and navigate complex market dynamics. Unlike homesteading, where self-sufficiency is the primary goal, farming involves adapting to market demands and ensuring profitability to sustain the farm and its operations. While both homesteading and farming involve working the land and practicing agriculture, they differ in scale, purpose, and lifestyle. Understanding these distinctions can help individuals decide which path aligns best with their values, resources, and goals. Whether one chooses homesteading or farming, both offer opportunities for a fulfilling and environmentally conscious lifestyle. So, which one of these two practices is more suitable for you? Let us know in the comments. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your free land journey.